guys, so I am currently in the Dubai Mall, but I need to get another GoPro battery, so I need to find a Virgin Mega store because I didn't charge the battery of this one. So I'm quickly going to find the Virgin store, and then I'm gonna head to a coffee shop and sit there and do some work, and then I'm gonna tell you a few things about my digital nomad life, how to make money online, just a few tips, but I am going to make a video completely just for that. But in this video I'll just give you a few tips, and then also I'm gonna show you around the Burj Khalifa, and yeah. So but first I'm just gonna buy a GoPro battery from the Virgin Mega store quickly, so I'll talk to you now. I told you that I will tell you how to make money online. Well, the first thing that I can say is, out of my own experience, don't try to make money fast. Remember that your time is your most valuable asset, and that there's literally people that will pay you even $2,000 per hour if you can provide value to their business. The other thing is always try to help people with their problems, solve problems with your business. I know there's a lot of people that say, you can do this to make $50 quickly, fill in surveys to make $50 in one day or whatever, but the thing is, those things are short-lived and you won't be able to make or build a valuable business out of this. So the thing is, out of my perspective, you need to solve people's problems, and this can include like helping them with their online business, helping them make online revenue, helping them with their social media, helping them editing their videos, help them build their YouTube channels. And always remember that your mind is the strongest thing about you. Never in my life would I ever have thought that I would like have 1,000 subscribers in a month after I literally ghosted my channel for like 2 years. And the people that know me, they know that this was my goal once, but I didn't like put a lot of thought in it. And when I came to Dubai and decided to be like a digital nomad, I decided, why not document that? And I did my research, I got my editor, and I just did it. So I think the main thing is, if you want something really bad, you'll be successful. And I know this is not like a really straightforward solution to make money online, but I will make a video for like the shorter solutions, like blogging, affiliate marketing, monetizing your YouTube channel, making money out of it and stuff like that. But for now, this is just my few tips about business overall, I think, and life overall. So, but what I want to show you now is some really cool cars. I think this is one of the really cool things about living and being in Dubai, seeing really cool cars. And people that know me know that I have like an obsession with cars and motors overall. So I'm gonna show you real quick. Like, how insane is that? I know after a while you get used to it, but for me it's still like really cool to see that. Like, this is the dream for me. Like, this is really cool. Show will come up now in a bit, but I just want to show you Jone's the Grocer. That is where I just had my brunch and where I worked for a little bit. So the really cool thing is, as a digital nomad, you can literally work from anywhere, which is really cool. The thing is, life for a digital nomad, not any day is the same, and I think there's a lot of advantages and disadvantages that a lot of people forget about. But overall, I would say it's worth it because you're living your truth, and that's the most important thing for me, is to live my truth and to do what I want with my life and build something up even if it's hard work, even if I put in 16 hours a day. Last night I only went to sleep at 2 o'clock, but it's worth it. It's hard work to be a digital nomad. It seems easy, but it's hard work. It's hard work to be successful, that's the thing. That was a fountain show. It's really loud in here, so I hope you can hear me, but I am on my way back to our hotel now. So there you have it, guys, a very basic day in the life of a digital nomad in Dubai. So I just came back to the hotel. I will just be working a bit now and wait for my girlfriend to come home, and then we will go to the gym, and yeah, and then I'll come back from the gym and probably work again. So yeah, this is just an average day in my life. We will be going to Top Golf Dubai on Friday night, so we will definitely be making a video of that. And then on Saturday we might go to Hyperama Diner, a real South African diner in Dubai, and then we'll be making a video of that as well. They actually have like Maltad and stuff like that, and Cook Sisters. And so if you really miss South Africa when you're living in Dubai, it's like you have to go there. So we will be going there, and then we will be also posting a video of that. So subscribe, and thank you for watching the video. We have like 6 videos lined up this month, so we're going on a small like road trip next week. I'm gonna rent a car, go scuba diving, just enjoy ourselves. So I'm gonna put all of that onto the channel. So subscribe, like this video, and comment the videos that you want me to make. Videos coming up also is how to make money with a list, and also how to become a digital nomad. And I will make a video about YouTube automation, how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. I will make a video about affiliate marketing and so forth. So yeah, subscribe.